Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Json Matryoshka, layering data structures with Json and Python. The term Json Matryoshka, also sometimes called nested Json, refers to a Json structure where one or more Json objects or arrays are embedded within another Json object or array. Think of it like the Russian Matryoshka doll, where smaller dolls are nested inside larger dolls. This technique is widely used for representing complex data relationships in a clear and structured manner. This tutorial will cover 1. What is Json Matryoshka? 2. Why use Json Matryoshka? 3. Common use cases. 4. Constructing Json Matryoshka with Python. 5. Navigating and accessing data in Json Matryoshka. 6. Modifying and updating Json Matryoshka. 7. Considerations and best practices. 8. Advanced techniques, example recursive Json. 9. Examples and exercises. 1. What is Json Matryoshka? JSON, JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format that is easy for humans to read and write and easy for machines to parse and generate. Json Matryoshka builds upon the basic principles of Json by allowing you to nest Json objects and arrays within each other. Key elements of Json asterisk. Asterisk objects asterisk enclosed in curly braces. Contain key value pairs, where the key is a string, enclosed in double quotes, and the value can be a primitive type, string, number, boolean, null, or another Json object or array. Asterisk arrays asterisk enclosed in square brackets. Contain an ordered list of values, which can be primitive types or other Json objects or arrays. Json Matryoshka example asterisk. In this example, asterisk the root is a Json object. Asterisk the value of the location key is another Json object. Asterisk the value of the employee's key is a Json array of Json objects. Asterisk the address key within the location object holds another Json object. Asterisk the skills key within each employee object holds a Json array of strings. This nesting allows for the representation of complex data hierarchies. 2. Why use Json Matryoshka? Asterisk data organization asterisk it provides a structured and logical way to organize related data elements. Asterisk readability asterisk well-formatted nested Json can be relatively easy to read and understand, compared to a flat structure. Asterisk flexibility asterisk allows you to represent various data types and relationships without predefined schemas, although schemas can be helpful for validation. Asterisk interoperability asterisk Json is a widely supported format, making it easy to exchange data between different systems and programming languages. Asterisk efficiency asterisk in many scenarios, nesting related information together can be more efficient than having separate data structures with complex linking mechanisms. 3. Common use cases. Asterisk API responses asterisk web APIs often return data in JSON format, and these responses frequently utilize nested structures to represent related data. Asterisk configuration files asterisk complex application configurations can be stored in nested JSON to organize settings by module or feature. Asterisk data serialization asterisk when saving complex objects from a programming language to a file or database, Json Matryoshka can be used to serialize the object's structure. Asterisk document databases asterisk document databases like MongoDB natively support storing JSON documents, which often contain nested structures. Asterisk data transformation asterisk Json Matryoshka is useful as an intermediate representation during data transformation and processing pipelines. 4. Constructing Json Matryoshka with Python. Python provides the Json module to work with Json data. Here's how you can create nested Json structures. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk import Json, imports the Json module. Asterisk company underscore data equals. Defines a Python dictionary that represents our nested data structure. This dictionary contains nested dictionaries and lists. This is the Python representation of the Json structure we want to create. Asterisk json.dumps, company underscore data, indent equals 4, converts the Python dictionary company underscore data into a Json string. Indent equals 4 adds indentation to the output, making it more readable. Without indent, the Json will be a single line. Asterisk json.dump, company underscore data, f, indent equals 4, writes the Json string to a file named company underscore data.json. The first argument is the Python dictionary, the second is the file object, and indent equals 4 again provides formatting. This is important for persistently storing your Json data. 5. Navigating and accessing data in Json Matryoshka. To access data within a Json Matryoshka structure in Python, you first need to load the Json string or file into a Python dictionary. Then you can use standard dictionary and list indexing. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk json.loads, json underscore string. This function parses a Json string and converts it into a Python dictionary. Loads is short for load string. Asterisk json.load, f. This function reads Json data from an open file object f and converts it into a Python dictionary. Load is for reading from a file-like object. Asterisk data name, accesses the value associated with the key name in the dictionary data. Asterisk data location city, accesses the city value within the nested location object. This demonstrates how to traverse nested objects. Asterisk data employees 0 name, accesses the name of the first element, 0, in the employees list. This shows how to access elements in nested arrays and objects. Asterisk for employee in data employees colon, this loop iterates through each dictionary within the employees list, allowing you to process each employee's data. Error handling asterisk. It's essential to handle potential errors, such as key error if a key doesn't exist or index error if you try to access an index out of bounds in a list. Using try, except blocks can help. Using get, for safer access asterisk. The get method of dictionaries can provide a default value if a key doesn't exist, preventing key error exceptions. In this example, if location doesn't exist, data.get, location, returns an empty dictionary, which then allows you to safely call .get, city, unknown city, on it without a type error. The final get, city, unknown city, returns unknown city if city doesn't exist within the location dictionary, or if location didn't exist. 6. Modifying and updating Json Matryoshka. Modifying Json Matryoshka involves updating the underlying Python dictionary and then converting it back to a Json string if needed. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk data name equals global tech solutions, updates the value associated with the name key. Asterisk data industry equals technology, adds a new key value pair to the root object. Asterisk data location city equals San Francisco, updates the city within the location object. Asterisk data employees dot append, new underscore employee, appends a new dictionary, representing a new employee, to the employees list. This is a standard Python list operation. Asterisk del data location state, deletes the state key from the location object. Important considerations asterisk. Asterisk mutability asterisk Python dictionaries are mutable, so modifying the data dictionary directly changes the underlying data structure. Asterisk type consistency asterisk ensure that you're assigning the correct data type to keys. For example, if a key expects a number, assign a number and not a string. Asterisk data validation asterisk for more robust applications, consider using a validation library, like Json schema, to ensure that the modified Json structure adheres to a specific schema. 7. Considerations and best practices. Asterisk depth of nesting asterisk while nesting provides organization, deeply nested structures can become difficult to manage and understand. Consider whether flattening the data or using multiple separate structures might be a better approach if your nesting is excessively deep. There's no hard and fast rule, but if you find yourself writing deeply nested data ABCD accessors, it's a sign that you might want to reconsider the structure. Asterisk schema validation asterisk use Json schema validation to ensure the structure and data types of your Json are consistent and valid. This is especially important when receiving Json from external sources or when working in a team. The Json schema library in Python is a popular choice. Asterisk readability asterisk format your Json with proper indentation to improve readability, using indent equals 4 in json.dumps. Consistent formatting makes it easier to understand the structure. Asterisk performance asterisk parsing and manipulating very large Json structures can be resource intensive. Consider using techniques like streaming or incremental parsing for very large files. Libraries like Json can be helpful for this. Asterisk data modeling asterisk before creating a Json structure, carefully plan your data model. Consider the relationships between data elements and how best to represent them in a nested structure. Asterisk naming conventions asterisk use clear and consistent naming conventions for keys. Common conventions include camel case, snake underscore case, or Pascal case. Consistency improves readability and maintainability. Asterisk error handling asterisk implement robust error handling to gracefully handle missing keys, invalid data types, and other potential issues during parsing and manipulation. 8. Advanced techniques, example recursive JSON. Recursive JSON asterisk. Recursive JSON structures contain elements that refer to themselves, either directly or indirectly. This is useful for representing hierarchical data like trees or graphs. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk the file underscore system dictionary represents a file system hierarchy. Each directory can contain files or other directories. Asterisk the children key contains a list of child items, which can themselves be directories with their own children. Asterisk the get underscore directory underscore size function recursively traverses the file system, summing up the sizes of all files within each directory. The recursive call get underscore directory underscore size item is the key to handling the nested directory structure. Asterisk important, be cautious about infinite recursion. If your data contains cycles, example directory A is a subdirectory of directory B, and directory B is a subdirectory of directory A, your recursive function could run indefinitely. You might need to add logic to detect and prevent cycles in your data. 9. Examples and exercises. Example 1, representing a social media post. Exercise 1, building a nested JSON structure. Create a Python dictionary representing a book. The book should have the following information. Asterisk title, string. Asterisk author, object with name and email. Asterisk publisher, object with name and location. Asterisk chapters, list of objects with title and pages. Then, convert the dictionary to a JSON string and print it. Finally, write a function that takes the JSON structure, as a Python dictionary, as input and prints the title of each chapter. Exercise 2, modifying a nested JSON structure. Load the following JSON data from a string. Update the student's age to 21, add a new course, history with grade C, and then print the modified JSON string. Exercise 3, recursive JSON for categories. Design a JSON structure to represent a product catalog with nested categories. Each category should have a name, description, and a list of subcategories. Then, write a function that recursively prints the names of all categories in the catalog. These exercises will help you solidify your understanding of JSON Matryoshka and its practical applications. Experiment with different data structures and practice navigating and modifying them to become proficient in working with nested JSON data. Remember to focus on readability, data validation, and error handling in your code. Good luck.